At NewsDepth headquarters, one of our favorite things is hearing about all of the wonderful things you are doing in your schools and communities as we plan A+ awards. Every now and then, the past winners reach out to us and give us updates on what they've been up to. This week's A+ award winners you may remember from last season, the Gardening Club at Berea Midpark Middle School. The Gardening Club not only expanded their garden from last year, they also built an entirely new outdoor learning space on their school's campus and began growing vegetables using aeroponic technology. Aeroponics is a technique of growing plants where the roots hang suspended in the air while a nutrient solution mist is sprayed on them. That is pretty cool. Mr. Pearl, the club's advisor, invited us to show us around. We were really impressed with how much the garden expanded. The students placed an emphasis on planting native species that would attract monarch butterflies and other pollinators. A native species is a plant or animal that originated and developed in a specific ecosystem without the aid of humans, and pollinators are usually insects that move pollen from plant to plant to allow for fertilization. That's not all. The students also cleared out an old overgrown courtyard and built chairs and benches so the space can be used as a classroom for small groups. Makes me wish I was still in middle school. Here's a big congratulations to the Berea Midpark Middle School Gardening Club for winning this week's A+ award. We're definitely going to check back in, and we hope to enjoy some fresh veggies. If you would like to nominate a student or group of students for our A+ award, you can fill out our form online or send us an email to newsdepth@ideastream.org.